So now that we know the who, right, we need to look at the message, the what. Like, what are we going to put in front of Bob, our ideal customer, right? So why? So here's like a little exercise you guys can do while we go. So why should somebody choose to do business with you versus the competition? Whether you're an independent, some of you are probably franchises. Like, we all know, in every city we've ever worked with across the country, there's competition in this industry, right? It's dog eat dog world, honestly. Like, you got to pay to play. Like, it can get ruthless, but I mean, it's just business, honestly, in general, but especially restoration. Like, I'm sure you guys have a lot of competitors you're competing against. Like, you independent guys are going against the franchises, and the Servpros, the Paul Davises, the Restoration Ones, the Puro Cleans of the world are going against the independents, right? And usually there's some guys that have been around for 40 years in that particular city that you're going up against. So just think about some of the messaging you can use to separate you from those guys that have been around for 50 years. Like, that's not the angle you're going to be able to approach. You're going to have to maybe hit them from the quality perspective, right, or the response time perspective, and then think about some of the benefits. Like, some of you might do warranties, money back guarantees. Like, what kind of benefits can you offer? Certified technicians, most of you probably have that. So just think about what some of the benefits are that you can do. And I mean, I just slapped some stuff down here that you guys can use, and I mean, you can use this on online and offline, right? Like, I've seen some of the wrap vans and trucks have some of this on it, billboards, commercials. I mean, obviously you want to be leveraging this on the internet too, but a lot of this, adds credibility to your business and will just help with conversions overall. So here's a few things that, are kind of common practice. A lot of you probably offer, but if there's a few examples on here that you're not leveraging, you can think about leveraging on on your website, your paid ads, your Google My Business. Like I said, even if you're doing direct mail or some offline methods, you can maybe split test adding some of these into the copy that you're using. And I mean, again, these are some more condensed versions that you guys can kind of take a look at. And like I said, these are examples. There's a lot more that you can offer than just these. So, but here's some to kind of get your wheel turning and kind of get the ball rolling. So hopefully that kind of helped. And again, I know I'm trying not to be here all day, so hopefully you guys got some, your wheels turning on that. And you can think about. So we talked about Bob, right? Or who. We've kind of got him put together. We've got the message put together. So what we're going to say, we've got the message on how we're going to let the Bob know why he should call you instead of the guy down the street, right? Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You can probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.